Hello there. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this super duper amazing sundae. You need whipped cream, chocolate syrup, some vanilla ice cream or French vanilla. This recipe's let me tell you first. This recipe is from Outback Steakhouse. They called it Syndy's Sinful Sunday, which I don't like the sinful part because sin is not okay. But yeah, Syndy Sunday. And you're gonna need a little bit of coconut, a bag of coconut. I'm using flakes because I didn't have the shredded, but the shredded is so much better. This one is like littler pieces. But you're gonna bake that in the oven, get it all nice and toasty. So this is, and you can add a banana to it if you like. I do. So here we go. You first get the scoops of how much ice cream you want and you put it in a bowl. Now I like to warm up my chocolate, but before you put your warmed up chocolate, you put your coconut. I warmed up my chocolate. Put on your coconut. Yum. And then you pour on your chocolate. Oh yeah. And put in your banana and your whipped cream. Maybe it's not the best video, but it sure is the best sundae. And there you go. Enjoy. Delicious, crunchy, chocolatey yumminess. So good. Go make this. You won't regret it. It's so good. God bless you. Bye-bye.